Okay, so in this video, let us discuss a CodeChef DSA learning series problem. It is called Chef and Adventures, and let us see what the problem says. So, Chef will have access to discourse. There's some story over here, you can read that later. Chef will have access to discourse if his knowledge and power become N and M. So, we are given input N and M, and initially our power and knowledge both are 1 and 1. Our knowledge and power should become N and M respectively. We can perform some actions, some steps, and those steps are: if we solve a problem, knowledge will increase by X. If we do a push up, power will increase by Y. If we install ShareChat, knowledge and power increases by 1. But we can only install ShareChat at most once. So we need to find out if it is possible to move from discuss to discourse. That is it possible to make knowledge and power N and M respectively? Depending on whether we have to output these two strings. So let us discuss the test case examples. NMXY. The input format is NMXY. Suppose N and M are 2 and 2. So initially my power is 1 and my knowledge is 1 and power is 1. I want to make my knowledge 2 and power 2. What can I do? I can do a push up to increase power by Y, solve a problem, increase knowledge by X, or install ShareChat. So for this example, which option is best? The third option is good, right? If I install ShareChat, both knowledge and power will increase by 1. As you can see, both knowledge and power are 1. If I install ShareChat, it will become 1 plus 1, which is 2. So both of them will ultimately become 2. So yes, I can make my knowledge and power as N and M. It is possible. Let us see another test case, 11, 10, 5, 9. So I'll just clear this. So 11, 10. Initially, knowledge is 1, power is 1. And our X value is 5 and Y value is 9. So as you can see, we have to increase our knowledge and increase our power by more than 1. So we have to use these two options. If we only use this, it is of no use. Third option is of only use when we have to increase both of knowledge and power by 1. Both of them, if we want to increase simultaneously by 1 to get the answer, then we will use the third option. So I hope the problem is becoming little clear now. So here X is 5 and Y is 9. So if I use this 2 times, then I have to add 10. If I use X 2 times, I'll add 10, which will make this 1 plus 10, which is 11. So it matches. What about this one? If I use power once, that means add Y, 1 plus 9, 10. Yes, both of them match. So what did we understand from this? If N minus 1, Y minus 1, we are starting with 1, not with 0. So if N minus 1 mod X, that means n minus 1 is divisible by x, and m minus 1 mod y equals 0. M minus 1, 10 minus 1, 9 mod 9 is 0. If these two conditions are satisfied, then yes. So this is one part. I hope this is clear. So first two test cases done. We can orally do the third one. Third one, see, n is 11, m is 9, 5 and 9, x and y. Okay. So 11 minus 1, 10. 10 mod 5 is 2. Okay, so I can go from knowledge 1 to knowledge 11. Yes, I can go. What about power? 11 minus 1, 10. 11 minus 1, 10. 11 mod 9, sorry, 11 minus 1, 10. 10 mod 9. 10 mod 9 is not 0. And I cannot use share chat because share chat will increase both knowledge and power by 1. But in this case, I want only power to increase by 1. I hope you are understanding. That is why you cannot get this answer, and that's why you have to output POFIC. You can see the next case. Next case, you have to use share chat in the end. You can try it by yourself, pause the video and think as to why answer is this. Hint is, in the end you have to use share chat. You have to increase both knowledge and power by 1 simultaneously. This is simultaneously. So now let us look at the code. In the code, basically this problem is dealing only with if and else part only. You have a lot of corner cases. So first of all, when both n and m are 1, so obviously if knowledge and power is already 1, then yes, you don't have to do anything. So print this Sheffer Nemo, print Sheffer Nemo. And now again there are else if parts. You have to consider when knowledge is 1 and power is not 1, when power is 1 and knowledge is not 1. Correspondingly, you have to do the answer. Basically, the entire problem revolves around these two conditions. And one extra special condition is this share chat one. That is over here. This is that share chat condition. The share chat condition will only apply when this is true. When this is true, then you have to apply the share chat condition. And that is why the answer will be Sheffer Nemo, because you can get n and m from 1 and 1. Otherwise, it's a very straightforward problem. It is just dealing with basic divisibility, basic maths. You can pause the video and check for this case. Why is it working? I have already given you the hint that you have to use the share chat condition in the end. You can manually do it, dry run the entire code. You can look at the entire code. It is just else if parts, nothing else. It's simple only. So this was another video on the DSA series. If you are able to understand, please tell me in the comment section. I shall do more videos like this. Share this video with your friends, whoever is doing programming with you, and subscribe to the channel, and try this question by yourself sincerely. I shall give the link in the description, or even anyway you can find it also, but I shall give the link. So thank you for watching, and bye.